Hi, my name is Travis Austin,
And this is Nathan Kurtz.
and we work in the New Boundary Technology Support Department. Today, we're going to talk about configuration groups and the rules that you can build with WMI. Nate?
Let's build ourselves a WMI configuration group. So let's make a configuration group, a user-defined group. From the value type field, we will select WMI, and then you would need to know what class of WMI do you want to pull information out of. Now I know for our example here I want to use the Win32 underscore processor data width class, and the data that I am going to look for here is 64. Now I know that the data width WMI class has either the value of 32 or 64, which is the bit level of the actual processor in the machine. So if I finish out this WMI configuration group, we will find that any machine that has a 64-bit processor inside will join this configuration group. And here we go, we've got a computer to join this group.
Well, that's cool. Nate, what other classes are you able to pull from, and how would I know where to look?
Very often we use a tool called Scriptomatic version 2. This was a freeware tool published by Microsoft that you can download and use as well. And this will give you all of the WMI classes that you have available for any particular namespace.
Namespace. So what do you mean by namespace?
So there are a variety of different namespaces that hold different categories of information for different WMI classes. Notice when we launched Scriptomatic here, the default WMI namespace is root CIMV2. And that is also the default namespace that we search through for Prism. So you might have noticed that in my rule here, I did not need to put any information for what namespace I was looking at in the rule.
What if I needed to?
If you are looking for some WMI information that was not inside the root CIMV2 namespace, all one would need to do would be to tell the configuration group what namespace the class that you're looking for is in. So I know that another namespace that has a lot of information in it is the root WMI namespace. You can find this in the Scriptomatic tool by dropping down the WMI namespace option here. Now I know that the class that I want to look for in that namespace is ms underscore system information dot BIOS release date. And the BIOS release date that I want to look for is the 31st of December 2009.
Oh, so you can really look for the BIO release date on a computer that you have in your environment?
Indeed you can. So once we get a machine to pull in here, we will find that our machine here has a BIOS release date of the 31st December 2009.
Well, that's pretty cool. Well, thank you, Nate. This is our video about WMI rule sets and configuration groups within Prism. We will have another video that talks about yet additional rule options within Prism Deploy. Thank you.